90s were a dear era to me, but not when it comes to behavioral health response system. A lot has changed in the industry since then, and in the last 25 years we've seen not only advancements in just care in general, but advancements in the tools that allow us to provide good care.
They'll get you to the next available crisis specialist. They'll be able to help you out.
When we get telephone calls at the crisis line, phase to 2, the technology helps us find the closest team, the team that's going to be most readily available. Client I just dropped into your folder, initials HC, is a domestic violence transport, and the software just takes all of the manual and the human error factor out of it. So the software will tell us what an ETA would be for arrival. It'll tell us where the nearest resource would be for that client, or which resource would be available first. Make all those recommendations automatically without us. Copy that, I have you up, thanks guys. Needing to think that through or have a manual system in place where we would have to make those decisions, and there would be the possibility of human error. Which team, 33? It's organizing the communication that would normally take place through walkie-talkies or telephones. There was an occasion in which we had 2 clients that we dispatched back to back, and what actually was happening was there was one client being picked up from an initial location and dropped off, and then another client was being picked up from the first client's drop-off location. The system recognized the consistency and just assigned the same van to both resources. So the software expedites all that by keeping track of current locations, as well as keeping track of other variables like traffic patterns and potential delays.
I mean, we've been doing this for over 12 years and we've seen it go from, paper to now using laptops and now to tablets.
What we have here is a tablet which has our information on it. The client's going to be at the top address there where we are picking up, and at the lower address there is where we're dropping off at. This technology was meant for delivering packages, but we are delivering human beings. We're taking human beings from one area, from where they're miserable to a place where they're comfortable. We're dealing with people in the sense that this is not a package business. This is a human business. We treat them with the utmost care.
Change is hard overall. I think none of us go into behavioral health so that we can play with computers all day and learn softwares, programs every week. So it's challenging on the front end, but as we familiarize ourselves with the new products and as the integration and the handshakes between the old and the new, all the bugs are worked out in that, then we've really come to appreciate the new products that we have. We really don't use clothespins anymore. So we're phasing those out. We're almost completely done with the clothespin era, and we're pretty grateful about that now. Transitioning from 91 to 2014 has been a challenge when it comes to my wardrobe, but when it comes to providing effective solutions to clients, it's been fantastic. I wouldn't want to go back.